And further trying to understand humans' behaviors and our minds brings me to that of Albert Bandura. So he was highly influenced with all the past psychologists as well. But I think it's evident to be able to realize that he was actually influenced by Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers, because they both had a very impactful and influential way of looking at human behaviors. In the zeitgeist of 1961, which in 1960 is seemed to be known as the deinstitutionalization movement, in which gained lots of support and was able to close many asylums, this gave people battling several different mental disabilities and disorders the ability to come home. So this is in turn created to what we learn more and be better educated. So wanting to people to be more aware of what was going on and be better educated when trying to understand mentally ill people. In 1961, Albert Bandura was quickly influenced in what was going on and created the Bobo doll experiment. So I feel as if this experiment also greatly reflected on the findings of Wunda in trying to understand children's behaviors, and also greatly reflected on the findings of just being able to further develop and actually have an experiment go on. So through his findings, he was able to understand that children are able to learn aggression as well as many other behaviors through their parents. So what they monkey saw, monkey do. So they were able to see this in real life with children. So then it became fundamentally important in being able to recognize mental illness and disorders with children. They were to be influenced or scientifically proven to be precedent within the individual. So, which led to the community wanting to learn what else had to pertain to these mental disorders, and were they all being reiterated, or were they being practiced by parents or adults that were watching them. And so I think it really gave the community the sense of wanting to know more and wanting to understand why the children were acting the way that they did. And the reoccurrence for the human behaviors is just wanting, it just piggybacks and was influenced by that of Maslow and Carl and being able to understand behaviors, but more specific, Albert Bandura was focusing on that of children. And I feel as if that also as well influences what we will discuss next.